Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use your AirPods Pro 3 as hearing aids. We'll cover pairing, key settings, and tips to get the best sound performance. I'll guide you step by step so you'll know exactly what to tap and how to customize your device. If you want a more in-depth look at my hands-on experience, including lab data and sound samples, check out my other hands-on review. I'll also link it in the description. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so let's take a quick look at how we can program our AirPods Pro to function as hearing aids. And one thing that I really do like about using AirPod technology is how well integrated they are. And you can see right away, as soon as I open the lid for these, my phone has already detected that I'm trying to pair them, or I might want to be. This is honestly something that we have yet to see from any major hearing aid manufacturer, and by that I mean just this ease of connection. I'm going to select Connect. I'm going to skip through some of these settings, but if you are on this journey, feel free to read through it. Now it's asking if I want to take a hearing test. I'm going to select Not Now because I want to show you where you can do this later on. This is obviously easy because it shows up right away, but just in case you hit Not Now, you can still access it later, and that is what I'm going to show you. One issue I do have with AirPods Pro is how difficult it is to actually access the functions of these devices. So I'll show you right now. Let me get these in my ears first. It's showing that we are now connected. So I'm going to go to Settings. Then we will find our AirPods, and I've connected these before, so yours might look different, but I've named my AirPods Pro 3. Now these are the main settings for our AirPods. Right away we can change between transparency mode, adaptive mode, and noise cancellation. We have various settings here that will control the functions of our AirPods, such as what listening mode we want in which ear, how we want to handle our call controls. This is predominantly going to be a hearing aid tutorial though, so let's focus on the hearing aid portion. Right up at the top, we have again our option to take a hearing test. So if you missed that initial prompt, this is where you can take that hearing test. Next up, there's a quick screening questionnaire that will pretty much capture some red flags, like do you have any pain or pressure in your ears, and have you been exposed to loud sounds in the past 24 hours? Now it's going to check the noise in my environment, so you can see if I'm speaking here, it's going to say there's too much noise. Seal is a very important part of getting an accurate hearing assessment, and they've actually built into AirPods an assessment for just that. While you're running this assessment, you'll just hear some music. This assessment is going to present pure tones to either ear at various frequencies and at various volumes to assess our overall hearing sensitivity. Of course, it's not as accurate as a good hearing assessment in a sound-controlled environment at an audiologic facility, but to be fair, the results from these type of in situ or on-ear hearing assessments are surprisingly accurate. And simply all we have to do now is every time we hear a beep, we press the screen. Now, I don't imagine you want to sit here and watch me take a hearing assessment. This is the basic process, and it is very similar to any other hearing test you may have taken in the past. Okay, so let's say we went through and we completed our hearing test. Under the Hearing Health Features section of our AirPods Pro 3, right here, we can see that there's hearing protection. I'm actually working on a video that covers how you can use these earbuds as active hearing protection, so stay tuned for that. But right beneath that in the middle here, we have this hearing assistance, and that is the actual hearing aid feature that's built into AirPods Pro 3, or I suppose more accurately, built into the software with your phone and the AirPods Pro 3. Here we can turn that feature off and on, and then if we want, we can go to Adjustments right here. But before we do that, I wanted to show you this Update Hearing Test Results section. And I want to show you this because if you already have a hearing test from your hearing care provider, you can actually input that directly through here, which will be a better option than taking the on-ear hearing test, and that's just because it will likely be more accurate. So we can add hearing test results here. We can either scan it with the camera By that I mean take a picture of your audiogram, as it's called, or if you want, you can add it manually. Okay, so let's go back out. And now finally, we get to our adjustments. And this is what I was saying before about how difficult it can be to use these as hearing aids, because unlike prescription hearing aids where there's generally an app that we can very quickly access, for AirPods, we need to go to our settings, select our AirPods. We need to make sure we're in transparency mode, because if we're in noise cancellation, for example, our AirPods are not functioning as hearing aids, so we won't hear a difference when making setting changes. So let's go back to transparency. Hearing assistance, we want to make sure, again, that hearing aids is on, which is the hearing aid feature. And then we can go to adjustments. And once we have our audiogram input and or we have taken that on-ear assessment, now we can adjust the volume. We can adjust the balance between the left and right ears. We have this darker brightness adjustment. To give you a brief breakdown, if you shift it towards brighter, you will hear more clearly. Think speech clarity, speech intelligibility. We can also shift it towards darker. Shifting it towards darker will roll off some of that high end and provide more bass. And then there is this key feature, ambient noise reduction. This feature is actually key to how well your AirPods Pro will function as hearing aids. Now, most people might think that ambient noise reduction, sure, I don't want to hear ambient noise, so you turn that up. But unfortunately, what that results in is the hearing aids reducing the overall volume or the overall amplification coming through your AirPods Pro, and this ultimately results in then a decrease in the speech clarity that you will get. Another way of wording this is turning up ambient noise reduction will likely make your overall user experience more comfortable because there will be less volume or amplification. So if you are using AirPods Pro 3 and you are struggling with speech clarity, maybe go back to your app and check this ambient noise reduction feature and try turning it down to find a better balance of comfort and speech clarity. There's also an own voice amplification feature that will adjust how much of your own voice you may hear. And those are all the basic steps to start using your AirPods Pro 3 as hearing aids. Now, I kind of mentioned how difficult it is to access these settings. I personally don't like jumping through 3 or 4 setting menus to access settings. Now, to be fair, we can also access them going to our control center, swiping from the top or bottom of our screen, depending on your iPhone. And then if we click this little ear icon down here, we then have access to our hearing assistance features, and we can select whether we want the hearing assistance for call and FaceTime, music and videos, or hearing aids. And here we also have control of all of those settings, such as amplification, left-right balance, ambient noise reduction that we've talked about, and own voice cancellation. Let's make sure Conversation Boost is on. So here we see the general adjustments for our hearing aids, but I wanted to show you one more thing. So if we go back to our control center, we also have the overall volume for our AirPods Pro 3. If we click this, now we can adjust our listening mode. We have the overall volume of our AirPods and then the volume of our streamed signal over here. But let's say we wanted to switch between our listening modes. So if we click this button on the lower end of our screen, we have access to those 3 settings that we've already seen: transparency, adaptive, and noise cancellation. Now, there's a lot to using AirPods Pro 3 as hearing aids, but that is a quick rundown. Again, feel free to check out my full review on hearingtracker.com. I also have another review exploring my hands-on experiences with these, as well as the test or lab data from HearAdvisor. So if you'd like a deeper dive, feel free to check those out. But that's it, so thanks for watching.